This lake literally turns animals into stone. Sounds like a myth, right? Welcome to Lake Natron in Tanzania, where death comes disguised in beauty. The water's so alkaline it can burn skin and preserve bodies like statues. The lake reaches pH levels of 10.5, almost like ammonia. Small animals that fall in get preserved by the mineral-rich water, frozen in time. No, it doesn't instantly turn creatures to stone, but it does preserve their bodies eerily well, like nature's own taxidermy. Lake Natron isn't just deadly, it's essential for flamingos. It's their safe nesting ground, protected by the lake's harsh chemistry. Nature's most beautiful places can hide deadly secrets. Like and follow for more weird wonders of our planet.